Everyone told you, you are a CA or semi-qualified CA. ACCA is nothing for you. And honestly, they are not completely wrong, but they are not completely right either. Because every year, CA qualified people, smart people, struggle in ACCA. Not because it's hard, but because they walked in overconfidence. So today, real talk, no fluff. Yes, the syllabus overlap is massive. Accounts, audit, tax, law, FM. You all have done this in your CA journey. And you get exemptions in ACCA. And here's the truth that nobody tells you, that ACCA don't test you what you know, they test you how you apply it. So they want your answer to be structured in a professional way. And here, CA students think that we can fix it as we know it all. But the exam will make sure you don't. So here comes the big question, where people actually get stuck or struggle in ACC. So let's take an example of AFM subject, which you see in CA as well as ACCA. In CA, it's more of a numerical based, but in ACCA, they want you to act like a consultant and solve real life problems, case scenarios like a act consultant. They want you to think professionally. They don't want a bookish language. And the next subject is SPL. Although you never heard of this subject in CA, but you know the topics. You know the topics in any of the CA journey, right? So yeah, like pestle, like SWOT analysis, like leadership, you all learn about it in your CA journey. But the way you present, but the way you think about it like a CEO, they want you to think about it like a CEO and be a leader, that hit different. So it's not about how you know the subject. It's about how you present the subject, how you present in the exams, how you think in the exams. So the strategy that actually work there is, you should do it. Number one, just go through Study Hub deeply. And while doing the chapters, at the end of each chapter, they have given a they have given a question. Just do that questions. Do technical articles. Read it properly. You will get to know how to solve the question. Then comes past papers. Solve it. See what they actually want. Then do mock papers. Mock paper is most important thing before exams. Do mock paper as if you are actually doing the exam. It's way too important, so do that. And as ACCA, it's very flexible, and make sure that you gonna use that flexibility and give one exam at a time if possible. If you are fully ready with two exams, maximum two exams, then go for it. But you should follow the instructions. Mock, technical articles, past papers, do that. That's more important. Because I know CA is like a base knowledge for ACCA, but for your professional thinking or a professional question writing, you must see the technical articles and practice the papers, do mock. It's really important for you, because you have all the knowledge. No doubt you have all the knowledge, but the difference is the practice. Just do that thoroughly. So that's the strategy. And if you want a full paper by paper strategy, just let me know in the comments. I will make a video on it in the next time. So till then, goodbye.